Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. This is a computer mouse. This is a Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic wireless mouse, and it works on these little USB plugins. You plug this into your computer and wirelessly it communicates with your computer. But because it's wireless, of course, it needs batteries. And if you look on the bottom, it has an on and off switch here. So that's off and that's on. And you can see there's a little light there, but it's kind of barely flickering. It's supposed to be really bright. And so this really does need to change battery. You can kind of see it's sensing it a little bit. But it has been having some problems, and I think I need to replace the batteries. But how do you do that? We will show you how to do that today. Okay, all you really need is two AA batteries. That's what it utilizes, and this is pretty darn simple to change. You don't need any screwdrivers or anything, just a little nail. If you look right here, let me turn this off. If you look right here, this little notch. Now you can kind of, if you don't have a fingernail, you could just use a little screwdriver. But really, you could just stick your thumbnail underneath here and just lift up. Just like that. This little cap is magnetic and it just sticks naturally in there and just kind of stays put just like that. So it's really convenient, no screws, no nothing, but sometimes it might be a little difficult to figure out how to open these things up, but this is how you do it. You just lift it up. Now when you put it back down, you want to make sure you put it down correctly, but there's really only one way it'll go back down. So you put it down that way, it won't fit that way, so really it only fits one way, and so it's pretty easy to put back. But you can see the batteries right there. And for both of these, the batteries, the plus side is forward, and you just kind of use your nail to kind of pop these out just like that. Remove them. I got a couple of fresh Energizer batteries there. Again, positive is, and it shows right there which way is positive and which way is negative. So you just want to make sure you orient the batteries. If you put them in the wrong way, it just won't work, and you might have to open it up and see what's wrong. So we stuck it in there, and then we just kind of make sure we orient this. This is the bottom again. It has those little kind of track pads there, and it just magnetically sticks just like that. That's all you have to do. You know, it's in there. Just make sure that it is on, and it's nice and bright, and hopefully it will work better. And there you go. You are done. And there you have it, fresh batteries in your mouse. I still have to plug back in my USB, and that's all I need to do, and I'm ready to go on my computer. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you did enjoy it, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I will have many videos to come. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.